SMNI, ulo, SMNI. Ako. Dave. Okay, boy. Dito ka, boy.
Okay, so,
Thank you.
good afternoon everyone. Secretary of the Bureau of Immigration, Honorable Enrique Manalo in his capacity as Secretary of Foreign Affairs, General Romeo S. Browner in his capacity as Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Essentially, what is this petition all about? This is a petition which calls for the respondents to cease from cooperating with the International Criminal Court. On what ground? On the ground based itself on the Rome Statute, Article 127, Paragraph 2, which states that after we have withdrawn from the Rome Statute, Philippines is no longer under the jurisdiction of the ICC. If you note, we already filed our note verbal, and as a matter of fact, our written notice to the United Nations that we are no longer a party to the International Criminal Court as early as March 17 of 2018, and such withdrawal became effective on March 17 of 2019. Under Article 127, Paragraph 2 of the Rome Statute, it states that only matters which are under consideration by the ICC, which creates the probability that the ICC may retain its jurisdiction. But as early as 2018, what was opened was only a preliminary examination by the Office of the Prosecutor. It was not a judicial action. It was not sanctioned by then the pretrial chamber of the ICC, and therefore Article 127, Paragraph 2 does not apply. And therefore, with the International Criminal Court, and all the actions therefore of the respondent are null and void, and we call upon the Philippine government to stick with the law, with the rule of law, that since the Philippines is no longer a party to the International Criminal Court, then it has no business anymore cooperating with such body, including the International Police, Interpol. So that is our prayer, and in the interim, we are requesting, we are earnestly praying to the Honorable Supreme Court to grant us a temporary restraining order, restraining the Philippine government, the respondents from cooperating with the ICC, and to release outright from custody our beloved former President Rodrigo Duterte, on the ground that his detention now is illegal, unconstitutional, and has no basis under the law. Having said that, I am now ready for your questions, but I will choose who will. Meron po rin tayong sovereignty. We enjoy sovereignty as a nation. So, knowing that we have territorial sovereignty, and we therefore have to be governed by our own laws po. Exception lamang yan kung magpasok po tayo sa mga treaty katulad po ng Rome Statute. Nag-withdraw na po tayo doon. Kung basahin niyo po yung Article 127, ang exception lang po under Paragraph 2 na posible na pwede pa may jurisdiction po ang ICC po dito ay kung ang matter is under jurisdiction po ng ICC. Hindi na po under consideration po, kasi po noong 2018 ang ginawa po ay Office of Prosecutor lang po ang nag-conduct ng preliminary examination. Hindi po yun pre-trial chamber, hindi po yun korte ng ICC. So in effect,